Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of living room interior design and decorating ideas. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to refresh your space, we've got a range of tips and tricks to help you create a living room that feels stylish, comfortable, and truly reflective of your personal taste. Understanding your space. Before you start decorating, it's essential to understand your space. Take note of your living room's size, layout, and natural lighting. This will guide your design choices, ensuring that everything from furniture placement to color schemes works harmoniously in the room. Remember, the goal is to enhance the room's strengths while addressing any challenges, like awkward corners or limited space. Choosing the right color palette. The color palette you choose sets the tone for your entire living room. For a serene and calming space, consider neutral shades like soft grays, whites, and beige. If you want to make a bold statement, incorporate deep blues, rich greens, or even a striking accent wall in a vibrant color. Don't forget to consider the psychological impact of colors. Warm tones can make a space feel cozy, while cool tones can create a more tranquil environment. Furniture selection and arrangement. Selecting the right furniture is crucial to achieving a well-designed living room. Start with the essential pieces: a sofa, coffee table, and possibly a TV stand or media unit. Consider the scale of your furniture in relation to the size of your room. In a smaller space, opt for sleek, low-profile furniture that doesn't overwhelm. For larger rooms, you can afford to go bigger and bolder. Arranging your furniture in a way that encourages conversation and interaction is key. Think about creating cozy seating areas that are inviting. Incorporating textures and patterns. Textures and patterns add depth and interest to your living room. Mix and match different fabrics like velvet, linen, and leather to create a rich, layered look. Don't be afraid to experiment with patterns. Stripes, florals, and geometric designs can all coexist beautifully if you balance them well. Rugs, cushions, and throws are perfect for introducing these elements without overpowering the space. Lighting considerations. Lighting plays a critical role in your living room design. Aim for a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a well-lit, versatile space. Ceiling lights or chandeliers can provide general illumination, while table lamps or floor lamps can be used for reading or other focused activities. Accent lighting, like wall sconces or under-cabinet lights, can highlight artwork or architectural features, adding an extra layer of style. Accessorizing thoughtfully. Accessories are the finishing touches that bring your living room to life. From artwork and mirrors to plants and decorative objects, these elements reflect your personality and add character to your space. When accessorizing, think about balance and proportion. Group items in odd numbers, vary the heights, and don't overcrowd your surfaces. Remember, less is often more, and a few well-chosen pieces can have a greater impact than an abundance of decor. Personal touches. Finally, infuse your living room with personal touches that make it feel like home. Display family photos, travel souvenirs, or artwork that holds special meaning to you. These items not only add warmth and personality, but also create a space that tells your story. Conclusion. With these living room interior design and decorating ideas, you're well on your way to creating a space that's both stylish and comfortable. Remember, the best interiors are a reflection of the people who live in them, so don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home design inspiration.